Hey, what's up everyone? So our topic for today is how to capture high definition or HD videos on your iPhone. So let's get started. First, go to settings and then find camera. And here in record video, you can have your 720p, 1080p, and also 4K at 30 FPS. So mine, I'll choose this 60 FPS. Here in record slow-mo, you can choose 1080p at 120 and 720p at 240 FPS. So I recommend most compatible here in formats. And that's it. I hope it helps you a lot. Please request any video tutorial, just comment it down below and let's try doing it. And I'll see you on my next video.